In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Gmail interface. Customization is one of the best things you can do to make your workflow smoother and more efficient, helping you tailor your email experience to perfectly fit your needs. Let's dive in and see how you can transform your Gmail environment to better suit your style and workflow preferences. First, navigate over to your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the quick settings, a hub for customizing the basic look and functionality of your Gmail. Give it a click, and a panel of options will appear on your screen. This quick settings menu offers a lot right out of the gate, allowing you to make some immediate visual and functional tweaks to your mailbox. However, if you want to unlock a wider range of customization options, you'll want to click on See All Settings. This will open up a treasure trove of possibilities laid out in a series of tabs, each dedicated to different aspects of your Gmail experience. You'll see tabs labeled as General, Labels, Inbox, Accounts, and Import, and more. Each of these tabs contains various settings that you can play around with to inject your personality into the Gmail interface. I encourage you to take a bit of time exploring each tab. In the General tab, you'll find options to set your default text style, vacation responder, and even the maximum page size of your emails. The Labels tab allows you to create and customize labels to organize and categorize your emails efficiently. Moving on to the Inbox tab, you'll discover options for customizing the types of inbox sections you see and how they are displayed. Feel free to toggle the various options to see what aligns best with your workflow and organize your inbox in a way that best suits your habits. While exploring the settings, don't be afraid to experiment with different features. Customizing your Gmail experience is inherently personal, and the best part is, you can always change things back if you decide a particular adjustment isn't working for you. Once you've made all your changes and feel satisfied with the new setup, make sure to scroll down to the bottom of any settings page you've modified and click Save Changes. This is crucial. Otherwise, your customizations won't be applied. And there you have it, a straightforward way to personalize your Gmail interface. By following these steps, you can ensure your inbox is as functional and inviting as possible, making it not only a tool for communication, but also a reflection of how you prefer to work. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy customizing!